What is up, y'all? Today is October 6, 2018, and I know I am late and I apologize by 2 weeks, but shout out to Cousin Goober. Appreciate you for helping me get out of this weird funk for my drawing and everything. So this one is inspired by him. It's gonna be right here. Spongebob and Patrick from the movie, the scene where they're all crinkled up. Anyways, let's get started. Alright, we're gonna get this started in 3, 2, Alright, so we got that in about 2 minutes, just because it was 2 people, obviously. But as in tradition, let's go ahead and finish it, color, sketch it, all the good stuff. All the reason I guess the reason why I didn't do the last one, I was kind of lazy, but gonna get back into it. All or nothing. Oh well, anyways. Alright, so as you see right here, this is the finished product. I like it. It's pretty decent. Let me see, I'm flipping through the pages. But bam. Boop. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace, love, and hot sauce and all that good jazz, and I appreciate y'all. Until the meantime, catch y'all later.